To understand the damage, the government did its first ever high-resolution housing damage assessment using satellite and aerial images, house by house. The National Housing Trust, NHT, has rolled out a special recovery package, Hurricane Relief Loan, extra home improvement money to repair damaged roofs and structures, Hurricane Relief Grant, cash support for contributors whose homes were hit, peril insurance claims for NHT mortgaged properties, and a 6-month moratorium on mortgage payments for thousands of affected homeowners in the worst parishes. On top of that, NHT is now moving to buy 5,000 container houses as fast temporary homes for families whose houses were destroyed. So Hurricane Melissa didn't just break a few roofs, it reshaped Jamaica's housing problem. We're talking about tens of thousands of families needing repairs, new homes, and stronger building standards, all at the same time. Question is, should Jamaica focus on quick fixes like container homes, or invest big in stronger climate-ready houses so this kind of damage never hits us this hard again? Comment what you think and follow for more facts they never teach in school.